For the last few years in my area around Kolkata, there was a science exhibition held by the Ministry of Culture and the Railways, and they did a wonderful show on the train. So here is the train that has been shown, and in the train they would show you how you would see science. And in these bogies, in these compartments of train, they would show you how the environment is affected, how we can extract coal, and how we can do several things with the environment, conserve the environment. So the Ministry of Culture and the railways took a good initiative of traveling the show through the railways, and this is how I painted the railway exhibition. And over there you can see lots of railways, railway compartments and lines going throughout.